SWAP is a broad-based group that brings people of diverse backgrounds together to work on issues of common concern.
I know on my block, there is one Latino family. They are the anchor of that block.
29 member institutions on the southwest side of Chicago who understand that acting together results in a larger collective voice and more power.
To also be participating in the development of that is exciting.
Bringing people together is magic. It really doesn't matter what color you are. We connect our values.
This is a neighborhood that's a mix of African American and Latino, some white families, some Arab families. This neighborhood was one of the centers of the foreclosure crisis. We were really at the forefront of seeing the real costs of high interest loans on families in the city of Chicago. Increased vacancies, increased violence.
Here's someone that's about to lose their house. Our hearts go out to them, and we try to help them as best we can.
We trained more than 50 people just to go out and listen on blocks to how foreclosure was impacting people.
SWAP has been key on getting people informed.
We saturated the neighborhood with information about foreclosure help through meetings, through brochures, through just talking to people, and came into contact with more than 10,000 people.
It's a holistic approach of leadership in the neighborhood.
We were able to combine a lot of education and information sharing and outreach to the extent that we were able to keep about, I'd say, 500 families in their homes.
We want people to invest in this neighborhood. This is the best time.
But if we can't solve violence in this neighborhood, people won't want to live here. So we operate the ceasefire program in this part of the city that employs men and women who turn their lives around, and they are working with other people on the streets.
A lot of these young guys who are here now doing some of the nonsense, I understand where they come from because I came from that background myself. I did 12 and a half years in prison, but I've been home 15 years, and I put in work for 15 years in this community.
We're moved, we're honored, and we're excited by the MacArthur Foundation's award. We hope to identify a space for SWAP to be housed. Right now, there are 15 people in an office that has 5 rooms. We also hope to understand how to most strategically and effectively use emergent technology to support and help build success on our campaigns. Our hope for this neighborhood is that we want it to be a neighborhood where people can be proud. We want it to be a neighborhood where families can flourish.
If I can change my life around, then surely this neighborhood can change itself around, and I have no doubt that it will.